Hello, Kennedy drama students. So I am going to be uh, introducing a new unit for you today. This is going to give you a background about what set design is and what a set designer does. And then you're going to be able to do one of a couple different assessments going forward to show me you understand. You're also going to be doing further research and gaining more understanding on your own, and we'll talk about that next time. So first, what is a set and why do we have it? So the easiest way to describe the set is anything that is on the stage without the actors. So not counting the actors. If you opened the curtain for a show and the actors are not on stage yet, what do you see? So there's the background, which could be the backdrop or it could be big set pieces. It can also be big pieces of furniture. It can be set dressing, which is basically like the decorations. So set dressing is your pictures on the wall, or if you have a tablecloth, things like that. That's all dressing. We have a set to make sure that the audience has some sort of context for what play we're putting on. So you can do that in one of two ways. A set can either be abstract and symbolic, which means it can create a mood or set a tone. It does not have to be straightforward. Or it can be highly realistic where the audience is completely immersed in whatever world you are portraying. We're going to see different kinds of sets, and I'm going to explain a little bit about each kind in a minute so that you get a little bit more understanding of what that means. And last, the audience is able to connect better with the story, and the actors are better able to tell the story if you've got a set. If you're acting on a completely bare stage, it's more difficult to connect with the story that you're portraying. So these are some. The first one is come in and out accordingly. This next one is really straightforward, right? This is obviously some sort of town. Chances are it was a town not now. It's probably in the past 50 or 60 years ago. You can see that there are shops and probably a. I'm not even going to try and pretend like I can pronounce. And clearly, a reason for that. There's all pastels and it's light and soft. So that is something to look. Have set pieces that are brought on. For instance, one scene is in a bedroom, so they bring on a bed and a dresser. But the background, the set as a whole is right. So whatever story this is probably are immersed in a world behind it. But we're going to pause the video. Silly is space. Know your space. I want you to imagine that your space is our stage at KMS. And last is so important. You don't want just a flat background and that's it. That's boring. It's three-dimensional. Have it come out. Have multiple layers. Have multiple have a staircase going up. Whatever. The limit is it's from bonus points, but the box push things. See you soon.